I just got back from a 4-day business trip and everything I took with me was in this one backpack. My clothing, tech, toiletries, work gear, and a few comfort items from home all fit within this Packout. This setup handled flights, trains, shuttles, Ubers, multiple hotels, and very packed airports, all without slowing me down. So today I'm going to unpack everything, show you how it all fit, and explain why I chose this setup for business travel. Let's get into it. Alright, so here's the bag fully packed out. This is the Air Travel Pack 4 in Ultra, and this is the exact setup that took me from my house to the airport, through Orlando, through the whole business trip, and then all the way back home again. So the way you see it right here is exactly how I traveled with it. On this side I have my water bottle, and on the opposite pocket here on the left side I have my metal hand sanitizer bottle and my hero clip. Quick note, before I unpack everything, I'll link my entire packing list down in the description. If you do buy through those links, I may earn a small commission, which does help support the channel at no extra cost to you. So first I want to explain why this bag worked so well for my trip. You know when you get into a really well-built car, close the door, and it has that heavy, solid thunk sound? Just from that sound, you can tell it's built well. That's the feeling that I get from this bag. People will call out that this is not the lightest travel backpack out there, and they're absolutely right. This bag is not trying to skimp on weight, and that is exactly what I like about it. The weight is giving me a lot of added value. It's giving me thicker straps, structured back panel, strong handles, durable materials, smooth zippers, and a bag that really holds up when it's fully packed. It really keeps its shape well, which matters when you're carrying tech, clothing, toiletries, shoes, and work gear all in one bag. So yeah, this bag is a little heavier, but it feels more solid, more protective, and more comfortable than some of the other lighter weight bags that I have. Nothing on this bag feels like they cheaped out on it at all. So one thing I really like about this bag are all the handles and grab points. Everywhere that you grab this bag, there is a nice, comfortable, thick handle that allows you to get a nice purchase. The zippers are weather resistant and coated, but they don't feel sticky or annoying to open. Sometimes you get those coated zippers and they can stick on you and they can be hard to open. I do not find that to be the case for this bag at all. If you need a little extra support, you can grab these little loops as well. And you can use these to open the zippers. Another nice thing about having these extra loops as attachment points here, if I wanted to lash anything onto the exterior of this bag, I have these nice strong points to do so. This is my personal opinion, but I really like coated zippers because they look black and all stealthy. I myself like the black and gray, like murdered out look. Just looks clean and low profile. All right, so moving on to the tech compartment here. Full-size MacBook Pro, no issues there. Nice padding on the back panel, don't even feel that at all, and a nice false bottom at the bottom of the bag. I was able to set this down pretty hard and not worry about my MacBook at all. For this trip, I also took my e-writing notebook here. I like to read a few books on the plane, and it was nice to be able to take handwritten notes during the conference portion of my trip. All right, so quick access pocket here. I'm one of those guys who has a dedicated work phone, so I keep that within easy reach. What else do we have in here? Oh, a few snacks. Never skip out on the snacks. Got my keys that I put on a key leash here. It's nice to be able to tether your keys in a place where you know you're not going to lose them during your business trip. Nice little metal clip here on the key leash. All the little keys here on my little organizer. I do have one little multi-tool that is a TSA safe with a little screwdriver bit, bottle opener, pill organizer. Keeps all my little sleep stacks and any medications I want to take with me safe. Small little top pocket here. That's where I keep my sunglasses. Easy to reach, easy to put away. Gotta have sunglasses when you're going to Florida. All right, so as you can see, we are pretty full inside the bag, but we did manage to get everything in here. Got the small wash pouch this time. You can tell that I really do use this because, as you can see, it gets dirty with all the little toiletry items. And the trusty alpaca tech pouch. I have not been able to find a better pouch than this. You let me know if you have a better pouch, but this has served me so well and just continues to take a beating. So during my trip, I had some time when I wasn't in meetings and I was able to explore Orlando a little bit. So I took this little X-Pack sling with me. This sling has its own full review video, so check that out if you're interested. And if you know me, I am not a true minimalist. Like a true minimalist would not bring a second pair of shoes. But I personally like taking an extra pair of shoes on business trips because it's nice to be able to work out in the gym. Nice to be able to change into your shoes afterwards and, you know, go explore the city a little bit. So I took an extra pair of shoes with me. Got a cheap little shoe pouch here, does the job. And then all of my clothes were able to fit in this packing cube here. Just a nice one compression packing cube. All right, and that really does it for the main compartment of this bag. I don't ever really use this sleeve here, but it's nice to have if you do need it. What did we have here in these little organizer pockets? Oh, we had a sleeping blindfold. Packable tote. I actually did use this when I went out to get a few groceries and a few supplies. I got some emergency bungee cords here. These have saved me on many trips. Got my glasses for nighttime or in case I lose my contacts, I have my glasses ready to go. And some hair care product. So first time traveling with the Air Travel Pack 4 in Ultra. Very impressed. I gotta say, 10 out of 10 on this one. They knocked it out of the park with this bag. The tech pack and its contents haven't wildly changed. Over-ear headphones, little flashlight, travel mouse. I really hate using the little touchpad on the laptops. I believe this is the newest iteration of the Anker MagSafe battery pack. And the famous Coleman first aid kit always goes with me. Same little Anker wall plug that I've had for a couple of years now, and it is held up very well. And this one's new for the trip. This is a Anker Prime braided cord here. Has a nice little organizer here. As you can see, I was in a rush. You just kind of wind it up, throw on the tie, and just kind of chuck it in here. This really becomes a nice dump pouch, even though it has organization. When you're on the go, you kind of just throw everything in here. Let's see what else we threw in here. Got my hard drive. Oh, this is the cable for my hard drive. That's why I chucked that in there. The Bluetooth adapter for the plane. Extra 6-in-1 cable here. I mainly bring this because my work phone still takes Lightning. Maybe one day work will get me the new version of the iPhone that has the USB-C. And what else? Oh, just I had a random electrolyte pack in here. It's funny how everything just kind of gets jumbled up. Yeah, that's a tech pouch. All right, and the wash pouch. This thing is held up very well. As you can see, I try to stay organized, but I end up just dumping everything in here. And I think that's the beauty of this, is you can just kind of throw it in when you're on the go. I brought my own shampoo and conditioner because my wife buys the good stuff. And honestly, using the same stuff that I use at home makes being away from home a little more comfortable. So I have my conditioner and shampoo bottles here. These are TSA safe, and they are nice because they can kind of mold into a little square here to take up less room. My all-time favorite deodorant combo, if you've seen any of my videos, you know this is my favorite, the Crystal plus the Schmitz. I was actually gifted this by a friend, and this is a cool little metal toothbrush case. So kept my toothbrush clean and away from my other things. Little travel razor and toothpaste. And I do wear contacts and glasses, so I had to take this with me. If I go on a longer trip to like Japan or something, I'll usually just stock up on dailies. Really love these sleeping earplugs. Whether I'm traveling or not, I still use these. They are so great. Sometimes I get dry eyes, so I take a few little eye drops with me. These are disposable ones, and this is just like an extra little bottle that I have. And picked up a new comb for this trip. Kind of looks like a medieval weapon. I know that is definitely what it's not intended for, but my barber had one of these, and I really liked the wide tooth. When they ran it through my hair, it gave my hair a nice texture. So trying out this new comb. And that's it for the wash pouch. So that's everything I packed for a 4-day business trip in one backpack. Hopefully this gave you a few ideas for your own setup. Now I'd love to hear from you. If you could only recommend one piece of gear for someone building a one-bag business travel kit, what would it be? Let me know down in the comments. I read every one of them and I genuinely value your input. If you found this video to be helpful, I'd be grateful if you left a like and considered subscribing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.